So here's a quick screen recording. Hopefully this helps, Elizabeth. All right, so I've got my platonic. I made it editable. I'm going to switch to points mode. I could be in edges mode or polygons mode as well. I'm going to go to points mode. I've got my platonic. I'm going to use the knife tool. So I could either come down here and just click on it to create the line cut, or I could hit K and then K a second time to do the line cut. And I want to make sure that I have the object selected. In the options for the tool, I want to make sure visible only is unchecked. Slice mode should be cut. I don't want to restrict it to the selection because I don't have anything selected. One way to check pretty easily is to check mark select cuts. So you could check mark that, and then if I just click and drag, you should see little dots appear on every edge that I'm cutting, and I release it, and then I can just hit escape. And when I do that, now there should be, you can see these separate edges and stuff where the points are along the line that I cut. So if I go back to perspective mode, I should be able to see where that cut happened all the way through the geometry, And so then, in order to then select those, I again want to make sure I'm in points mode. And in this case, I've been using rectangle selection, and I can just click and click in the window, use rectangle selection. I don't know how that didn't select, but then just click and drag. I highlight those points, hit delete, and then I should have that opening, and then I can come in here and I can use the polygon, the whole closed polygon hole to close that up. I hope that's helpful, and I hope that that is working the way it's working on your machine.